So this conversation is really about psychology. We talk about demo trading, but the next thing that I would say is more important than a demo trade and more important than risk management is trader psychology. You have to understand that your psychology is what's going to determine how you respond to the market. And trading itself is like a mirror. So it's going to bring out aspects of you that you've struggled with your entire life. As they come out, they're going to have an impact on how you make decisions and how you make trading ideas and trading decisions. So the psychology itself is going to play a crucial role in your actual trading success. It's about discipline, it's about patience, and it's 100% about emotional control. Because the market is going to do things that it just does, and you're going to take them personal. You're going to try to fight the market. You're going to try to get revenge against the market. And that's not how it works. You have to understand that the market just is, and the way that it operates, it's going to do things that show you opportunities. And it's up to you to evaluate the different confirmations needed to say whether or not you have a viable opportunity or you don't. You want to avoid greed. You want to avoid fear. Greed is necessary to a degree because in order to want to make money, you have to have a level of greed, I would say. But you don't want to be so greedy that you have a good trading day that's profitable and you decide you want more and then you lose it all. You don't want to be in a position where you are over trading because you might have had a loss and you keep trying to get it back. So you just keep jumping in the market and losing more and losing more and losing more. And you don't want to have fear because the market is not against you. It's not doing anything to you. It's your job as a trader to develop yourself into someone who understands how to see the market movement so that you can make correct and proper decisions. Right and wrong is different here in trading. It's not the same. If you make a trade and you followed your rules, you followed your trade structure and your system, and the trade is a losing trade, it doesn't mean that you're wrong. It just means that your system did not work for this specific atmosphere of the market. But it's also about uh, measuring trading outcomes. So you may not get every trade in terms of profitability, but let's say you may win 3 trades out of 7. Well, if your risk profile is proper, then those 3 winning trades will actually still put you in a profitable position. So you have to be able to overcome those common emotions such as greed and fear because they are going to impact your actual trading. Mastering trader psychology does take time, but the sooner you can learn to journal what you're feeling when you decide to execute trades, journal what those trades look like, be they good or bad, and be in constant review of yourself as a trader, the faster you'll be able to bridge the gap between being a having good trader psychology and being someone who's still working on their trader psychology. So just understand that trader psychology is ridiculously important. It is the cornerstone to your ability to be profitable in the market. And if you're someone who is open to learning how to trade, who wants to figure this thing out, come to us. We're here for you. The vagranttradercollective.com. You can hit us up on Instagram at Vagrant Trading Academy or at Vagrant Trader Insights, and also on TikTok at Vagrant Trading Academy. We're here to help. And I always say this, you're one trade away, one trade away. Other than that, thank you so much for listening. Take care, and we look forward to chatting with you again soon.